Mangwabe had a conversation with his son about the job. We know Mangwabe's son Spiwe is working at Moda, that castle with Impilo. But Mangwabe was asking why you can't find a real job because Spiwe is a graduate. Mangwabe was not supposed to discuss about that issue on television because it looks like maybe they are not desperate. Spiwe maybe is doing a favor for that model company, that castle, to work for them. So sometimes there is no issue because some of those people, they can find another workers who can work at model if they are not interested. Mangwabe was asking why you can't find a good job because that job is not the job I send you to school. Mangwabe have to understand the economy of South Africa. When you go to school, you have got degrees, but it's not mean that after graduate you can find the job quickly that you are graduating. Spiwe and Impilo, they are doing the good thing because they are working on that company. There is no problem, but there is no, that Mangwabe is discussing on public that why are you working on that company. It looks like maybe they are not, I don't understand, because they can fire them at any time. That people, they can get angry, that castle, that maybe Mseleku's family, they think are important, what you understand it. So it's not, some of the conversation, they have to save their conversation to protect their kids, their jobs. There is no issue, guys, that is Spiwe and Impilo are still working and they are starting. Especially, guys, that even to tell your manager that I'm finding a new job and you don't get that job, you are giving them a notice, you are giving them a pressure to find other workers. Maybe one day they can tell you that we find other people, and you say you want to get another job and you not find that job yet. So Mangwabe and your kids have to know the important thing to say on television. And Impilo at other side was saying she want to go back to school to quit the job on public. Imagine, guys, she was saying those things, and Mpilo can trend. You understand? Those issues trend a lot on social media. How those people, they can feel about Mpilo and his Spiwe, their discussions. You understand it? So Makhumalo was trying. Mpilo says those words on television. I love Makhumalo. Makhumalo is very smart. Makhumalo was the one who found jobs for them, the two of them. Makhumalo said Mpilo, there is no need to quit the job because she knows that Mpilo thinks what she said on public can get them fired. They can get fired, guys, on that job, because sometimes, guys, they have to know, they look like maybe that Omodo company is very desperate. Very desperate. Guys, they are helping each other. You understand? Even Mangwabe have to understand. Spiwe want to have even a small salary. Other people, guys, are struggling to have jobs. Mangwabe says it's not the job I send you to school. You have to find a real job. Yes, it's good. Mangwabe was saying a good thing to your son, but you have to know the place to say those words, because you can't say you have to find a new job. And when the company heard about those words Mangwabe was saying to his son, how they feel. And now Omodo company, I don't think they are still interested on Pilo and Spiwe. What I saw, they are not, no, because they know those people, they can quit the job at any time. So I think Omodo company maybe can find people who can replace them quickly. And now they don't find the job yet. What they are going to do, it's not about you are coming from Seleku's family, you are not desperate, what. Guys, people are desperate. Spiwe is a graduate, but they have to know the situation in South Africa. You can't get the real job you are graduate for quickly. After graduation, you are sitting at the office. You can do those jobs are there at that time. You understand? Even it's a small salary, but it's better than Spiwe can ask money for Mangwabe every day. Mama, I want money. That's why Makhumalo tried to find a job for Mpilo because she doesn't want Mpilo want to have her own money, enjoy her own money.